Tank 300 Galaxy Battleship Rear Surround Installation Video. Step 1. Install the left and right grille decorative panels. Install the 3-segment rear lip. Step 2. Install the rear bar-out trend cover. After installing the rear bar light, fixed original car radar line group. Step 3. If the original car has a module, please install the module base in advance. Surround the iron bracket after installation. Add a towel of 7 brackets. Fix the top of the rear surrounding bracket with screws. Lower part installs rear lip and air knife. Punch a hole with a drill. Secure with blind rivets. Finally, install their original car insert nut. The 4th step is to use our standard extended cable and tail light wire plug fixed. Reinstall the original taillights and screw cover. Step 5. Surround after installation. Plug the reserved wire first. Plug and fix it with the rear surrounding light below. Surround light function after inspection. Then tighten all the screws of the original car. Installation complete.